Okay, challenge accepted. I have 13 balloons and sana maubos ko siya in 13 minutes. Let's go! Balloons. Sana maubos ko in 13 minutes. And this is 13 balloons in 30 minutes. Sana maubos ko siya. Okay. Countdown starts now. I think pwede na to. Oh, tama na siya. Sakto lang yung kanya, yung laki niya, diba? Okay, isa. Wala pang 1 minute. Na. Oh my God. 5. Six. Seven. So, this is the last one. Pero inabot lang ako ng 7 minutes. Hope you enjoy! Ayan na siya. 13 balloons in just 7 minutes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
All the times I felt cheated, I complained. You know how I love to complain. For all the wrongs I repeated, though I was to blame, I still cursed that rain. I didn't have a prayer, didn't have a clue, and then out of the blue, God gave me you to show me what's real. And there's more to life than just how I feel, and all that I'm worth is right before my eyes, and all that I live for, though I didn't know why, now I do. 'Cause God gave me you. For all the times I wore myself beating like a favorite shirt, all wrapped up in that hurt. For every glass I saw half empty, now it overflows like a river through my soul. From every doubt I had, I'm finally free, and I truly believe God gave me you to show me what's real. There's more to life than just how I feel, and all that